Hello students, this is Vitthal Anwat and today we are going to discuss upon our chapter number 4 soil classification. And in this chapters of the soil geography topic is the basis of the classification of the soil. In that we are going to discuss upon the zonal types of the soil. The basis of classifications in that the zonal soil also known as the order. This zonal soil is classified into the several parts. In that the first is desert soil, grey soils, chestnut soil, then Chermonism soil and laterite soil. After that the podzol, brown earth and tundra soil also being the part of this soil. So the firstly we are going to focus upon the desert soil group. In arid region means the where is the scarcity of the water, like as a desert region, but semi to desert is usually dry and hot with high temperature and an extremely low rainfall, whereas the high temperature and rainfall is getting less than 5 inch, and there is an almost complete absence of the vegetation due to the very low rainfall. The leaching is almost absent. So owing of high evaporation, salt usually travel upwards and accumulate in the surface layer. Then this is a first types of the zonal soil is a desert soil is being the part of specific zone or the area, so they are considered as a zonal. Then grey soil in arid region, the rainfall is low up to 5 to 15 inch. It's enough to cause percolation and movement of the salt. Vegetation being the scanty and layer is usually absent. Means as a leaching is a poor alkaline salt accumulate in B horizon. The horizon B acquires a grey colors, clay formation is very merged and the water table is usually very deep. Means this grey soil is present where is a precipitation is less. Okay, then high temperature, and we can get the example near to the surrounding area of the deserts. Okay, then chestnut soil. The chestnut soil means what? A semi-arid region. The rainfall is slightly higher than arid region, but the temperature is almost equally high. Vegetation is slightly more profuse. Leaching is more marked than the arid region. Soluble alkaline salt accumulate and form the B horizon. The decomposition of organic matter is sufficient to cause of slight accumulation of humus in the A horizon. Nothing else here. The chestnut types of soil means first desert soil, then the grey soils. After the grey soils, apart from this grey soil area, the another area whereas the temperature is high, the rainfall is moderate, and the other conditions also remain same like as the arid region. In such a type of regions, this type of the soil has been formed, and this soil is known as the chestnut soil. Then the fourth types of the zonal soil is the Cherno, or it's also known as the black Cherno soil, or it's also known as the black soil or Chernonisms. There are the belts of land in semi-arid and sub-humid regions, whereas the rainfall is fairly high, means 30 to 50 inch, and where there are alternate wet and dry periods. There is a more leaching and the elevations of the soluble salt of both alkali and alkaline earth bases is the more pronounced. They are washed out from the upper horizon and the accumulation in the lower horizons. This black soil mostly associated with our Maharashtra, all conditions related with the Maharashtra has been means black soil. It's made from this basalt. This rainfall is fairly high, 30 to 15, and alternative wet and dry period also face into the western Ghats. The soil formation takes place under the condition of slight alkalinity or the neutrality. These conditions are favorable to accumulation of humus and humic substances. Hence, the organic matters content of this soil is high and they are usually black in color due to the formation of calcium humate. Then another types of the soil is laterite soil. In humid tropical and subtropical region, both temperature and rainfall are high, means 80 to 100 inch or more. The soluble product of the weathering are completely washed out due to the heavy leaching, and considerable elevation takes place. There is no horizon differentiation as the elevated substances are not redeposited into the lower layers. Hence, no true B horizon is a form. What is laterite soil? In the humid tropical or subtropical region, temperature and rainfall both are remain very high, 80 to 100 inch or the more. In this region, such type of the laterite soil has been formed. Then another one types of this soil is the pore soils. In the temperate region, both rainfall and temperature are low. Vegetation is very profuse in this region. Due to the low temperature, humus begins to accumulate, giving rise in humic acid. Due to the liberation of humic acid, soil formation take place under the conditions. Then brown earth is some part of the temperature region. The temperate region means the area which is lie between 23.5 to 37 degree half, and it's sometimes it's also measured from 0 to 37 degree half. Especially in warmer climate varies the both temperature and rainfall fluctuates the considerably, and where there are the deciduous forest means the deciduous means the forest which drop their leaves, okay, to begin the winter season. Then it is a slight accumulation of the humus, but is not the highly acid types of in the case of pore soil. Then lastly, the last types of this zonal soil is tundra soil. Firstly, we know where is the tundra region of the world. In this region of extremely low temperature, tundra region means the northern part of the United States, okay, whereas a very low temperature has been recorded. In this region, extremely low temperature, as in the Arctic zone, the surface is almost perpetually covered with the snow. The rainfall is about 8 to 10 inch or even less than 8 to 10 inch. And this 8 to 10 inch rainfall in the form of snowfall. Very often there is a permanent frozen layer of the soil at some depth not below the surface. The movement of water that penetrates into the soils is usually arrested when they meet the frozen layers. Okay. Means these are the Another types of soil means desert soils. Then this zonal soil is classified into this 8 types of the form, means desert to this tundra soil. Okay, thank you very much.